Hi, Happy New Year. It's 2021. More music in 2021. Today we're going to learn how to make a dominant seventh chord. Okay. I'm going to switch my camera. Do. Okay, so a dominant seventh chord sounds like this. It's used in the blues a lot. It's built on the fifth scale degree of your scale. So if you're in the key of C, your dominant seventh chord is going to be G, B, D. And the dominant seventh chord likes to resolve. Anyway, that's my little theory lesson for you. So how do we make it? Our last lesson we made major seventh chords with a major seventh on top. What we're going to do is make a major triad, same bottom, and then we're going to make a minor seventh or flat seven on top. So it sounds like that. So if you know how to make your major seventh chord, then just lower your top note a half step. Okay? Or you can think octave, like this is my C chord, C, E, G, C, and then come down a whole step. C, B, B flat. Okay? So C, this is called a C seventh chord. C7. We also call it C dominant seventh chord, but that's a lot of words. Okay, so how are we going to make it? We're going to go major triad plus the flat seven on top. Okay, so real quick, we're going to do this chromatically like that. And then you have to come back down. And then we're going to do it with circle of fifths, like that. Here we go. And I like to do that kind of arpeggiated, jazzy version. Okay. So first we'll just go through the chords, naming the notes. C, E, G, B flat, and D flat, D flat, F, A flat. It looks like a B, it's really a C flat. Then a D7 would be D, F sharp, A, C. An E flat 7, E flat, G, B flat, D flat. E7 is E, G sharp, B, D on top. F7 is F, A, C, E flat. F sharp is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and E on top. Black, 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 white. G7 is all white notes. G, B, D, F. A flat, C, E flat, G flat. A7, A, C sharp, E, G. Then B flat, D, F, A flat. And then B, D, D sharp, F sharp, A. And then we got C. We're back to C. Okay? So let's do that. And this is coming down. You want to be able to come down too. Okay? And look how I'm getting into the alleys of the keys. And I'm out here. I can be out here with my white notes, but when I play the black notes, I have to go in closer to this edge. On the piano, it would be called your fall board. Okay, so let's do that as a chromatic, up and down with that arpeggiation. And then hit the chord. notes. Sharp. And then G7. Be quiet. You can play it really soft. Or play it forte. And then we're home. You know, it's funny, it doesn't sound like we're home because it's a down the 7th chord. It's hard to end on a down the 7th chord. It wants to resolve somewhere else. Okay, now we're going to do it circle of fifths. Okay, this time I'm just going to play blocked. So we got C7, up a 4th, F7, down a 5th, B flat 7, E flat 7, A flat 7, D flat 7, F sharp 7, B7, B7, A7, D7, D7. Excuse me. That's what we're going to do today. That's all we're doing.